I'm going to teach you two ways to allow a spectator to cut to any four of a kind, and the method is crazy, so check this out. You tell the spectator that you're going to give them your abilities, your magical abilities, and you say to them, cut these cards into 4 piles, and they do so just like that. You then say you're going to take the top card from each pile, 1, 2, 3, 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you say, remember, you're going to cut to any 4 cards, and look what you've done. You've cut to an ace there, you've cut to an ace here, there's the ace of clubs, and you've also cut to the ace of hearts. Let's check out the second method. Alright, so here's another way you can have a spectator cut to any 4 of a kind. So what you're going to do is you're going to explain to them that, look, in a moment you're going to pick up a small little packet of cards like that, and then you're going to flip them over. You're going to cut a little bit deeper and flip them over again. And the first card that is facing down is going to be your selection. For example, it would have been the 2 of hearts. So I want you to give that a try right now. So you hand them to the spectator to pick up a little packet, flip it over, they do it again, flip it over, and you say, remember, the first card that is facing down is going to be your selection. In this case, we've got the ace of clubs. And then you ask them to pick up another small packet from here, place it down, pick up another small packet there, place it down, and now we've only got a few left, so we're just going to give these a little shuffle like so. Perfect. And then you say, remember, you could have cut anywhere. You give a little snap, and this is what happens. Look, we cut to any 4 of a kind, and it just so happens to be the 4 aces again. Now let's go see how that works. Yo, what's cracking, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Give us a sec. You're not supposed to see that. It's nice to have you back. Look, today I'm going to teach you a kind of a ace cutting routine, but you can use any 4 of a kind, and basically the spectator can do this. So it's a really fun, simple routine. It's not entirely self-working, but almost. They are simple to perform, so if you're ready to learn, do me a favor, like the video and subscribe if you're new, because I notice there's a big percentage of viewers that aren't subscribed yet. So if you can do that, that'd be amazing. And let's get right into the tutorial on how this works. Alright, so here's the method to the first routine to have a spectator cut to any 4 cards. Now, it doesn't have to be the aces. You can do any 4 of a kind, however you want to do it. But what you want to do is you want to start with the 4 aces on top. Okay, so have them all on the top like so, and then you're going to explain to them that they're going to cut the cards into 4 piles. And so you just get them to cut 1, 2, 3, and 4. All you have to remember is that the aces are all here. So from this point onwards, you're just going to say, look, I'm going to stick out the top card from each pile. And so you just do them like that, just out jog them like so. And from here, you are going to reverse count them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then immediately place these on top, holding a little pinky break like so. Now make sure your finger is here at the front as well, just in case you have that little action. You don't want that. You want to make sure that it's completely flush, and it's easy to do. And another little tip as well is just relax. Don't squeeze them, because you don't want it to look like they're bent. If you just relax, so just get the 4 cards. If you just relax, it'll actually look nice and flat like so. Now once you've put the cards all here, you immediately turn this card over. Okay, so I'm going to do that one more time. So 2, 3, 4, perfect. So let's say the cards are all out like so. You're going to reverse count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, immediately place them on top here and turn over the top card, which will show an ace. And then you want to take the ace, but you're actually taking all 4 cards, but you're going to put it down as 1. And so once you've got it here, now I'm exaggerating this break so that you can see, you don't want to have it too high. So from here, what you're going to do is when you put the ace down, you're going to grab them like this. And what that does is it covers that you've got 4 cards there. And so, because if you put it down like this, they're going to notice that the pack's a little bit thicker. And so what you do is you just grab them all like so, and immediately place it on the first pile. And then you want to do the exact same action with the other 4 aces that are on this pile here. Even though you're putting down 1, you want to mimic the same action that you've done. So you grab it like this, you turn that over, put that down, and even with the last pile, and then it looks like they've completely cut to all 4 aces, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to do it one more time, but at full speed, so that you can see what it looks like from behind the scenes. So, Mr. Spectator, please cut the cards. Oh yeah, sure, Steve, thanks. Perfect, just like that. And we're going to stick out all the top cards like so, and we're going to see where you have cut to. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, like so, and look, oh, you've cut to an ace. We'll just pop that one there, and we'll place that one there. We'll turn that one over, and oh well, little miracle, you've cut to all 4 aces. And that's the method to the first routine. Okay, so here's the explanation to the second routine, where the spectator picks up a few and then cuts a little bit deeper. It's really easy to do, and the setup is this. You want to have 3 aces on top of the pack, and you want to have another ace on second to the bottom, like so. So you're in that position there, and you've probably noticed I've got this random card here, so grab any random card and place it on top. Now this serves one purpose, because what you're going to do is you can actually tell the spectator how to do the cutting, and this is just so that you can ditch the top card. So what you do is you tell them to pick up a small packet. Before you do that, you're going to demonstrate how to do it. And so you say, look, you just pick up a small packet like so, and you flip them over. And then you pick up a few more, so cut a little bit deeper, flip it over, and the first card that is face down, so it's going to be the 5 of spades, will be your selection. And then what you do is you just place that in between here, and then put this bunch here on your right hand side in the middle, because you don't want to disrupt the ace that's second from the bottom down there, and you don't want to disrupt the aces, so you just place these in the middle. So now that you've done that, you've demonstrated what you want them to do. And so you just say, hey look, just cut off a small packet like I showed you, and they do that, and then cut off a little bit more, a few deeper, and then remember the first card that is face down is going to be your selection. And oh look, you've cut to an ace. So you place these immediately to the side in a pile, and then you place this ace on top. And then you ask the spectator to cut off a small packet from here and place it down like so. And then you get them to do it again with the third pile. Now when you've got the fourth pile, you immediately just turn over and flash the bottom card, because you know we know the ace is underneath, but we're going to shuffle the ace to the top, and I'll show you how to do it. And so you just quickly flash so that they can see there's nothing funny going on, but you don't go, look, hey look, flash, 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 wow. You just simply just relax and just say, look, we've got one pile left, there's just a few cards left, and what you're going to do is you're going to shuffle these, but you're going to grab the top card and the bottom, so you just put a little bit of pressure like this, and just pull both of those cards, and all you've done now is you've pulled those 2 cards, and then you're going to take one at a time and shuffle until the ace is on the top like that. So there's the final ace. So I'm going to do that one more time in case you missed it. So you just do your little flash, and then you're going to peel off the top and the bottom card, and then just shuffle all the way until you've got an ace right there. Okay, and so now this part is really important. You are going to take these 2 piles and say, look, you could have cut these anywhere, and you're going to pick these 2 up, do a little flick, place them down there, and immediately go and pick up these 2 here, which will reveal the final 2 aces. And so that's essentially how this works. Now I'll do it one last time just in case you need to follow along, because it is important that we are thorough. Alright, so now that English accent's coming out of me now. Oh dear. Alrighty, so check this out. We'll do it again. Have a random card on the top. We got the 3 aces underneath right there. And we've got another ace second from the bottom. So let's do it at speed. So, Mr. Spectator, here's what I want you to do. Is you're gonna, in a second, you're gonna pick up a little packet of cards, turn them over, and cut a little bit deeper, turn them over, and the card that's facing down first is gonna be your selection. Just place it in there, and just place the rest in between like so, and then you get them to do it. So just cut, and then cut a little bit deeper, and let's see what the first face down card is. Oh look, it's an ace. these immediately go down to the side. We'll place that there and just say cut off a small little packet and cut off a small little packet, and then you do a little flashy move, flash, 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 and then you say, look, we've only got a few left, so let's give these a shuffle, peel off those two, shuffle the ace to the top, and then you're ready to go. And all you have to do now is say, look, you could have cut anywhere, place those to the side, and you've cut perfectly to all 4 aces. That's a cool one, Mr. Spectator. Hope you like that. Ta-da! Alright guys, so that's all we got time for today. So if you want to check out what I consider the greatest self-working card trick ever created, click on this video here and you might like it. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like the video, share it far and wide, and I will see you guys, of course, next week. Take care. Bye-bye.